First look and hands-on of iPhone 15 Pro Nillkin Camshield case. If you're interested in buying this case, you can check the link in the description below. The Nillkin Camshield Pro iPhone case for the iPhone 15 Pro lineups boasts some impressive features for an inexpensive case. The TPU, thermoplastic polyurethane bumper, and hard PC, polycarbonate, back offer protection in a slim package. Reinforced corners offer even more protection. It's a MagSafe compatible case, so your MagSafe charger and other accessories will work great. But what makes this case really stand out is a simple sliding cover that protects your camera lenses from getting scratched when not in use. At first, this looks like your typical inexpensive silicone case. It has a soft silicone texture and a few color options. A circle of magnets inside makes it work beautifully with the MagSafe charger and other MagSafe accessories. But what really makes this case stand out is the sliding cover, which covers up the entire camera module when not in use. Just slide it open when you want to take photos. While the case feels soft to the touch, the bumper portion is actually TPU, while the back is a hard PC for plenty of protection. For even more protection around the vulnerable iPhone 15 Pro corners, there are impact-resistant airbags, or pockets of air. The corners of the case are visibly thicker than the rest of the bumper. The edges of the case have textured stripes, which give you a better grip on your phone. Clicky button covers protect your sleep, wake, and volume buttons. Cutouts for your mute switch, lightning port, and speaker holes ensure full functionality. The bumper has a lip that comes up just above the iPhone 15 Pro screen for face-down protection. This is a great case for anyone looking for a basic silicone case with some upgrades, MagSafe compatibility, and a camera module cover. If you prefer more luxurious cases or cases made from natural materials, keep on looking. It's also probably not worth buying this case if you don't want that camera cover, as it would just feel like it's in your way.